Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create this very simple left effect in Capcut PC. So just grab your video, drag it onto the timeline, grab the other video, or you can also just cut the video exactly to where you want, moving the playhead, or you can use the B. Say select now in the split mode, which you can add a lot of splits. You can also select place on A or B, but I like just to use Control B. Anyways, now what you have to do is just to go to your video, and then here make sure you also create this animation, this effect. It shouldn't last that long. You should make this very short, around here. And now all you have to do is just to, so we have to add a scale effect, keyframe, sorry, and then just zoom in. Make sure you zoom in, and here zooms in. Okay, and here just make sure you go change the position to around 50, or actually no, 100. Okay, and we have this effect. And you can add this on the other video and click on bright, but we don't need the second video because we use this one. And here you can add another effect. You can simply select the video, and here this portion of this video you can add a custom adjustment, and just keyframe the whole adjustment. Make sure you follow along with me so you don't miss any step. Add a keyframe here. Now we just increase the brightness. And this portion, you can also add this portion and you zoom in just a little bit. Or you can also add the keyframe here. That's another method. And just zoom in just a little bit. And it's like, yeah, I hope you like this effect. It's left effect, it's called. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.